say you guys, my mom made my hair, and this is how it looks like. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow to our channel, and subscribe, guys. Hi everyone, my name is Isha, and you're watching the Kai family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. So today is hair day, and my mom's gonna do my hair, and we're going to go to the restaurant today. So let's do it. Daddy.
Because this two is gonna fall in between her hair like this. Before you want to start with everything, you have to do the sectioning. So I'm gonna do like 2-part sectioning in front, then I will move to the back. So for now I'm just doing the sectioning at the front. Then now I'm gonna split this into 4. I'll grab this in the middle. So 2 on this side and 2 on this side. So 2 on both sides. Okay guys, so now we're gonna commence. I've put in my edge control. I'm gonna separate this. So I'm gonna do 1. I'll do 2. And I'll do 3. What you want red up? Let's have a red down. So pick up, remove all the color. So you can actually braid this from beneath if you want, but the last time I braided it from beneath, so I don't want that today. I just want to put that down there. I will need the next one the next color that you want. What color? Okay, one blue. So guys, so this is the secret of this. Grab this. I'm gonna put it here. Oh no, it's been good. Okay, baby. Okay, it's gonna pop up like this. So I'm just gonna get this inside, then I braid. So I separated it into 2, then I'm just braiding it downward. I'll grab this one now, this, and put it in here. What color, baby? Guys, we're done with the back. Now I'm gonna separate the sides. split this into 3. So I'm gonna grab this, put it here, grab this and put it here. Chanel, we need a shiny color, but since this is what you like, can you guys see that? I'm just gonna braid everything into one. Split it first into 3. So I'm gonna grab this two from the 2 section and I'll put it now into 1 because this is where we're gonna put the bun.
Time to talk with you guys. So we'll talk with you guys right now. And I hope you guys have an amazing day, by the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and look what I do.
Okay, give me your best color that you like.
White.
I need 4 of them. Okay, so I'm just sweetening in front. I'm gonna add this in between. I don't really think white is a good color in front of this, but since she wants it, I don't have a choice. Let's do black, mama. Thank you. Another color. Make sure this is really tight when you're folding. I'm gonna break this. So once you have it like this, guys, I'm just gonna take this rabbit inside like this. Then I will get this black one. I will put it in here and I will fold it to keep it still. And this beautiful piece fall off like this. Can you guys see that? Can you see? You say yes. Okay, you see. So I'm gonna do the same thing here again, guys. Getting my edge control. Grab everything together. Make it slick. What are your colors, baby? Get my pink. Maybe should I get with pink, blue, or yellow?
Pink.
I already have pink here.
Oh, yellow then.
Yellow? Okay. So she wants yellow, guys. So I'll go ahead and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now start putting in the colors. So she did white, but before I do that, rub a little bit of edge control on it. Try to make it as if I want to twist it. And like I said, you can braid this if you want. I didn't want to braid it because I wanted it to look fluffy, and I wanted it to be in no extension here. Like I didn't want any extension added to it, because I would have actually added an extension in front if I wanted to make it fluffy, but I just decided to use her natural hair. So you can do what's best for you, but I just love this. And this is your girl, guys. So this 2 of them is gonna fall off like this. Now we're gonna put in a ponytail, a pony bun. So I'm gonna grab my bun. Stick it inside. You don't feel any pain, right?
No.
Okay. So this is how the side back looks like. This one. This is how the other side looks like.
Guys, do you think that this looks good? Mwah. Looks good.
So which of this or this?
Can I fix up this one, please?
Okay, sure. Woo! This is the side of it.
Thank you for watching. Mwah.
Looks like, guys. This is the side. This is the other side.
This is your Cook City channel. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and thank you, Mommy, for doing my hair. God bless you. Maybe one day when I'm a grown up, I can do your hair.
Oh, thank you.
Because every day you're just doing your own hair without asking for help.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Thank you. So guys, yeah, this is the end result. I hope you guys like it. I hope you're gonna try it. Let me know in the comment section if it's something that you want to do for your daughter. Mwah.
Thanks for watching.